What's up, YouTube? Hudson Man 2 here, and today, I just got this in the mail today, and I've opened the other two, and that is a Star Pack Arc V. I opened the Star Pack, 2013 on my channel, and I thought I'd go ahead and buy this one, because I did open the 2014 Star Pack, but I got a open box on eBay, and I just wanted to see what was in there. There was some cool stuff, but yeah. Main things I'd like to get out of here, though, is like Dark Rebellion, Odd Eyes, obviously, because I want to build a Performer Pals. Ew, box kind of, yeah. Messed up, so let's go ahead and crack into the first pack. It opens. There we go. Super Heavy Samurai Trumpeter, XX Saber Bogard Knight, Feast of the Wild Beast level 5. What I think I'll do is just go ahead and take out all the packs out of the box and like place them right here. Main things I want are like Odd Eyes and Dark Rebellion. Let's see here. Swamp Battle Guard, XX Saber Full Helm Knight, Toy Vendor. The what's it called? Swamp Battle Guard is kind of cool. So I think I'll just do it like this, and I'll do them later. Like, but I'll keep out like Odd Eyes or Dark Rebellion if I do pull it. What is it? The Phantom Knights of Shadow Vale, Right After Nest, and Arya the Melodious Diva. So I got this box on eBay for like $30, which is not bad. That pack and went open, and there wasn't anything cool in it. Mobius the Frost Monarch, Mobius the Mega Monarch, and Constellar Allergy. Sorry, I was. Yeah. This is like a 50-pack box. Yeah, there's 50 packs in here. So, and you get 3 cards per pack. Constellar Aldia again. Performance Pal Trump Witch, awesome. I actually need that. Lava Battle Guard, because I am working on a Performance Pal deck with using rank 4 spam in addition to rank 3, and I want to go to try to make it where it centers around the Rune Eyes as well. Wonder Balloons, Stargazer Magician, and Time Gazer, awesome. That's kind of cool to get both of those in the same pack. Mobius the Mega Monarch. Gemini Tortoline. And Hippo Carnival. I actually need that as well. X Saber Full Helm, or XX Saber Full Helm Knight. That's pretty cool. Performer Pal Kaleidoscorp and Performer Pal Paranaga. Let's see, a lot of packs to get through, so little time. This packs did not open right. Feast of the Beat Wild Level 5, XX Saber Bogard Knight, and Command Performance. Performer Pal Whip Snake, that's kind of cool. Constellar Pleiades, awesome. And Trampolinks, Performer Pal. Again, the main thing I just want out here is Odd Eyes or Dark Rebellion. Performer Pal Hip Hippo, Wonder Balloons, and Constellar Claus. I think you could actually more or less get a Constellar deck out here, except for like Constellar M7. Illusion Balloons, Whip Snake, Fluffle Bear. Yeah, there are some Fluffles in here. Like, there is a Frightful Bear, which is pretty cool. Aria the Melodious Diva, Stargazer, and Phantom Knights of Shadow Veil. Unfortunately, I didn't get Stargazer in there. That would have been awesome again. Oh, cool. Super Heavy Samurai Warlord Susanoo. That's kind of cool. Performing Pal Friend Donkey and Polymerization. Wow. Would have been cool to get Rune Eyes in there. And, wow. Okay, more Poly. That looks really cool. The Shattered Foil Polymerization, Fire Mufflin, and Super Heavy Samurai Big Ben K. So overall, I'm kind of happy with some of the cool stuff I'm getting. Polides, that's awesome. Whip Snake, Fluffle Bear. But pulling Odd Eyes or Dark Rebellion would be just amazing, because I really want Dark Rebellion, because I don't have one. Edge Imp Cerberus, Exec Saber Full Helm Knight, Toy Vendor. A lot of packs there. Oh, I guess I can put the box like right there. Feast of the Beast level 5, Red Raptor Nest, and Aria the Melodious Diva. You get a lot of cards for like, I think it evens out to the normal amount of cards. Maybe a little less. Let's see here. Constellar Altaro. I can't say Constellar names. Mobius the Mega Monarch, and Constellars. They look cool, and I like light charts. I don't know why you gotta have such a hard name. Command Performance, Trump Witch again, awesome, and Lava Battle Guard. So that's 2 Trump Witches so far, so that's pretty awesome. Fire Muffin, Stargazer, and Time Chaser. I like that. That's pretty funny when you get Time and Star together. Oh cool, Gem Knight Fusion. That's pretty cool. Kaleidoscope and Paranaga. Why are you two again? Together. Really? Oh, I see it. No, I don't. Never mind. I'm wrong. X-Saber Soza. I thought I saw the black border of an Xyz monster. Performer Power Revive and Klaus, I think it is. Lava Battle Guard, Perform Power Hip Hippo, and Mobius the Frost Monarch. Try to go through the pack. Well, you can't go through the packs too fast when the vet decides to rip off, and I can't really too much considering there's only 3 cards per pack. So Kaleidoscope, Fight for Bear, awesome, and Aria the Melodious Diva. So far I'm kind of happy with the bots. I've gotten Bear, Trump Witch, which is to me pretty awesome. Oh cool, Stargazer, Shattered Foil, looks really nice. Trump Lynx, and Time Gazer again, or Stargazer. Even though they weren't right beside each other, they were still in the same pack, so just a fish. Just gotta readjust myself. Yep, Performance Power Swordfish, Pillar Form Power Color, and Wall of Disruption. It's kind of cool. Oh, too many cards. Super Heavy Samurai Big Ben K. Masaria the Melodious Mestra, and Illusion Bubbles, or Balloons. Where'd I get bubbles from? I don't know, I'm still half asleep doing this. Toy vendor, a Gym Sabers, Runized Pendulum Dragon. Awesome. I actually need a couple more of those so I can try to build the deck around with my deck. I need maybe 1 or 2 more Runized. Come on. Constellar, Soza, another Trump Witch. Place a Trump Witch out of the box. That's pretty awesome, actually. Perform of Hell, Trampoline, Spreadbird Bear, Trumpeteer. Honestly, could probably get a decent Super Heavy Samurai with some of the stuff I have. And when I'm pulling, right after Nest, or right after Readiness, not Nest. Battle Guard King and Perform of Hell Hip Hippo. So just take something. And now, second giant stack of packs. Stargazer Magician, Mobius the Mega Monarch, and Gem Knight. Unfortunately, I'm still not getting Odd Eyes or Dark Rebellion. If I can pull 1 Dark Rebellion, I'd be ecstatic. I know it's only in parallel, so Tortellini, buy a Muffin, or whatever, and Toy Vendor. Again, I'm half awake, kind of recording this, so disregard anything crazy I say. Come on. XX Saber Bogard Knight. Perform Hell Sorted, come on. Swordfish and Wall of Disruption. The main reason I actually got this box was to get Odd Eyes or a Dark Rebellion. Although it's not a guaranteed pull. Let's see here. Perform of Hell Hip Hippo, Swan Battle Guard, and Runized. Awesome. Another Runized Pendulum Dragon. Now I want to place it in addition to my Ultra. Hippo Carnival, Wonder Balloons, and Bin Bin K. Or Big Bin K. Stargazer Magician, Polly, Trumpeteer. It's awesome that they reprinted polymerization in this set. Because everybody loves polymerization. Oh, what is with these packs? I have a mess to clean up after. Form Power Ride, right after Nest, and Battle Guard King. Whip Snake. Right after Readiness, Banishing Lunas. So we did get a Raid Raptor. And Raid Raptors are kind of cool because I know what his English name is, so I'm just going to call him Shun, because that's the name I know. Oh, cool. Runized Shattered Foil. It's really cool. Agent Sabers and Raid Raptor Riselock. And I was hoping that misprinted and Dark Rebellion became like that. Paranaga, Swamp Battle Guard, Pleiades. Just trying to get these kind of, because this video opening's gone a little long. Raid Raptor Nest, One Power Trampolines, Master Diamond. Looks so weird seeing that as a common because it was a secret rare in Hidden Arsenal. Trump Witch. Oh, let's focus on the Trump Witch. That's really cool. Red Ordinaries by Muffler Lion. Oh, Muffler Lion. Fight for Bear. It's pretty cool. Hip Hippo, Friend Donkey. Fluffle Bear. Let's see here. Witch Snake, Polly. We have 4 packs left. I'm hoping one of them has Odd Eyes or Dark Rebellion. If not, Well, it will be a bit sad. Darker Trampolines, Trump Witch, Waffle Bear. It's not guaranteed whether you'll get those 2 cards. Trampolines, Molartsa, the Melodious Maestra, and what's it called? Red Raptor Rise Falcon. Performer Power Friend Donkey with Snake, Master Diamond. Okay, guys. Last pack. You know what? Oh, we'll open it like this. Oh, maybe we won't. Maybe not. Okay. Swamp Battle Guard. I can already tell it's a Pendulum, Xavier Souza, and Stargazer Magician. So unfortunately, no Odd Eyes Dark Rebellion. So I may end up buying another box, but overall, pretty happy with what I got. I've got some stuff to advance Performance Pals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I may open up another box of this just because it's honestly a really cool set. Because it's got Dark Rebellion right there, got Odd Eyes, 2 Magicians. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as always. And alright, YouTube, Hudson Man 2 out.